In the heart of Afghanistan, the relentless shadow of conflict stretches across mountains, valleys, and cities alike, leaving a trail of destruction that touches every facet of life. Families struggle to survive in homes shattered by bombings, where the air is thick with fear and uncertainty. The streets that once echoed with laughter and trade are now haunted by silence, broken only by distant explosions, gunfire, and the cries of those who have lost everything. Children peer from behind broken walls, their innocent eyes reflecting a world they are far too young to understand. Their playgrounds lie in ruins, yet they cling to fragments of joy, creating games from rubble, finding fleeting moments of normalcy amidst chaos. This is the reality captured by Real History Network, where every story is told with truth, emotion, and cinematic detail. Fatima, a mother of 3, clutches her youngest child, close as she whispers reassurances into trembling ears. Her husband, Omar, peers cautiously through a shattered window, each step outside a calculated risk. In this fragile sanctuary, they attempt to preserve the remnants of family life, while navigating a world where death and danger lurk around every corner. Their home, like so many others, is a fragile refuge against a backdrop of destruction that has become the norm. "Mama, will we ever play outside again?" whispers little Sami, his eyes reflecting a mixture of curiosity and fear. "Not yet, my love, but we are safe here. For now," Fatima replies, her voice gentle, yet laced with anxiety. Schools that once stood as beacons of hope and learning now resemble war-torn relics. Desks lie overturned, books are scattered and scorched, and blackened walls bear the scars of relentless attacks. Young students, eager for knowledge and the promise of a brighter future, face the harsh reality of education interrupted by fear. The sounds of laughter and learning have been replaced by sirens, explosions, and the ever-present murmur of anxious conversations. Teachers like Layla strive to salvage what remains, guiding children through lessons in temporary shelters, determined to instill hope and resilience despite the constant threat. Across Afghanistan, families like the Ahmeds face the harsh reality of terrorism daily. Meanwhile, other regions bear similar scars. In Herat, elderly Mr. Mursuf helps rebuild homes, while young volunteers like Noor distribute water and essential supplies to displaced families. Even in Jalalabad and Kandahar, ordinary citizens display extraordinary courage, risking their lives to protect neighbors and maintain small pockets of hope amidst devastation. These individuals, captured through the lens of Real History Network, tell stories that often go unseen by the broader world. Beyond Afghanistan, the impact of conflict reverberates globally. Pakistan deals with waves of refugees crossing borders, straining social services and local communities. Iran maintains heightened vigilance along its frontiers, anticipating the spillover of unrest. Even nations as distant as China monitor the situation, aware that Afghanistan's instability affects regional trade, security, and international relations. International media highlights the destruction and human suffering, while aid organizations struggle to deliver food, medical supplies, and temporary shelters under challenging circumstances. The psychological toll on citizens is profound. Chronic stress, trauma, and grief shape daily existence, affecting behavior, relationships, and community cohesion. Children experience nightmares, adults suffer anxiety, and the elderly carry the weight of lost generations. Coping mechanisms vary from religious practices to community support, and every day survived represents an act of defiance against the pervasive forces of destruction. Markets, when operational, are sparse and tense, with merchants wary of sudden attacks and customers hesitant to venture outside. The aroma of cooking fires mingles with the acrid scent of smoke and debris, a stark reminder of the delicate balance between survival and destruction. Communities organize themselves to share scarce resources, demonstrating solidarity in the face of adversity. The human stories that emerge from these struggles reveal both vulnerability and extraordinary strength. As people navigate a world where every choice carries risk, children continue to seek moments of joy and creativity, even as innocence is threatened. Makeshift playgrounds, storytelling, and small acts of play allow them to preserve their imagination and hope. Teachers adapt by conducting clandestine lessons, emphasizing the importance of knowledge and normalcy amidst adversity. These small victories, though temporary, cultivate the seeds of hope for a generation growing up under the shadow of conflict. Humanitarian agencies strive to meet the needs of the population, establishing mobile clinics, shelters, and food distribution centers. Volunteers risk their lives daily, motivated by the belief that even modest assistance can profoundly impact lives. Despite these efforts, the scale of the crisis challenges international aid, highlighting the urgent need for sustained attention and resources. Real History Network documents these acts of courage and humanity, bringing stories of resilience to viewers worldwide. Night descends on Kabul and other Afghan cities, bringing a temporary lull in violence, but leaving an enduring sense of apprehension. Fires from destroyed buildings smolder in the distance, casting eerie glows on silent streets. Families huddle together, praying for safety and a future free from fear. Within these quiet moments, glimmers of hope persist. A teacher tutoring children by candlelight, neighbors sharing food, and a child sketching dreams of peace amidst ruin. The channel's narration emphasizes the stories of bravery and endurance that define Afghan life under siege. The struggle in Afghanistan resonates beyond its borders. Regional neighbors experience economic and social impacts, while global powers monitor developments with both concern and caution. Trade routes, diplomatic relations, and humanitarian commitments are all influenced by the unfolding crisis. The world is intricately connected to Afghanistan's fate, and every story of survival contributes to a larger understanding of resilience under extreme adversity. Even as destruction shapes daily life, Afghan citizens maintain the rituals and routines that define human existence. Families gather for meals, children continue learning through makeshift methods, and communities support one another through acts of solidarity. These routines, however fragile, offer stability and a sense of normalcy in an environment defined by unpredictability. The persistence of everyday life amid extraordinary challenges highlights both vulnerability and remarkable human adaptability. The journey through Kabul's streets, the villages of Herat, and the urban centers of Jalalabad reveals a nation grappling with profound hardship, yet displaying unwavering resilience. Amid ruins and chaos, human dignity persists through small gestures, courage in action, and the enduring bonds of community. Each story, whether of a family safeguarding children, a volunteer distributing essentials, or a teacher inspiring hope, reflects the multifaceted struggle and determination of the Afghan people. Through the lens of Real History Network, these narratives of Afghanistan provide a window into the lived experiences of those often hidden behind headlines. The realities of terrorism, displacement, and survival are interwoven with acts of courage, empathy, and ingenuity, creating a complex portrait of life under conflict. As viewers engage with these stories, they witness not only the devastation wrought by violence, but also the profound resilience and humanity that persist amidst adversity.